How to use hyaluronic acid effectively. Hyaluronic acid is a powerful hydrating ingredient that can transform your skincare routine. Let's break down how to use it for the best results. Hyaluronic acid is not a harsh exfoliating acid, it's a moisturizing powerhouse. It attracts water to keep your skin hydrated and plump. How to use hyaluronic acid. Cleanse your face as usual. Apply HA on slightly damp skin to maximize hydration. Seal with a moisturizer to lock in moisture. Choosing the right product. Select HA products with minimal fillers and high-quality ingredients. Avoid heavy oils and fragrances that can irritate the skin. Usage tips for different skin types. Oily/acne-prone skin, use lightweight gel serums, apply on damp skin, and follow with an oil-free moisturizer. Dry/dehydrated skin, opt for richer serums, apply on damp skin, and seal with a thicker moisturizer or oil. Key reminders. Always patch test new products. Consistency is key for visible results. Hydrated skin is happy skin. Thank you for watching this video. We hope you found these tips helpful for incorporating hyaluronic acid into your skincare routine.